Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn more about division. So open your book, page number 84. As you have learned all tables, so we are going to do division today with the help of tables you have learned. So these are some terms you need to remember that what is dividend? What is dividend? It is the number to be divided, means the number we write here, we write inside, is called dividend. When we divide any number, let's say you are dividing 15 by 5, so the number you write inside, the number you have to divide, that is called dividend, and the number you write here means the number by which you have to divide is called divisor. So this is dividend, this is divisor, and we write answer here, that is called quotient. That is called quotient. So you need to remember these three terms, dividend, divisor, quotient. जो नंबर हमने डिवाइड करना होता है, जो हम यहाँ लिखते हैं अंदर डिवीजन, दिस डिवीजन सिंबल के अंदर, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड. जिस नंबर से हमने डिवाइड करना होता है, द नंबर विच डिवाइड्स द डिविडेंड इज कॉल्ड डिवाइजर, और जो आंसर होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड quotient. Now come to page 85. I will do some questions and you have to do rest by yourself in your neat notebook. Question number 1 on page 85. So what is the first question? Here the dividend is 15 and divisor is 5. So read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So you will write 3 here, 3 here and 15 here. So 5 threes are 15. Now read the table of 7. You have to divide 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So the remainder is 0. Remainder हम कैसे लिखते हैं? हम इनको माइनस करते हैं. 14 minus 14 is 0. 15 minus 15 is 0. You can write 0 or you can draw cross in remainder. Now read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. So the quotient is 4 and the remainder is again 0. Now you have to divide 16 by 8. So 8 twos are 16. Now read the table of 3. 3 fours are 12. Read the table of 24. Table of 3. You have to divide 24 by 3. 3 eights are 20. 3 eights are 24. Remainder is 0. Now you have to divide 25 by 5. So read the table of 5. How many 5s make 25? 5 5s are 25. 9 3s are 27. 3 9s are 18. You have to do these questions in your neat notebook. You have to do these all questions till here, till R part in your neat notebook. Now come to page 86. Write the divisions and find the answers in each case. This is again a division and the word problems are given here. First one is already done, so I'm going to read the second part. 60 pencils are put into packets of 10. How many packets are made? So how many pencils are total? 60, and you have to divide them into packets of 10. It's mean you are dividing 60 by 10. So 10 6s are 60. Remainder is 0. Now the C part is 48 children are divided into teams of 8 each. So how many children are in total? 48, and we have to divide them in teams of 8. So 8 6s are 48. So it's mean the answer is 6. The answer is 6. Now D and E part is your homework. Now come to this page, page number 87, review multiplication and division. Now you have to see carefully the symbol. What symbol is being used here, multiplication or division? Then write the answer accordingly. Okay, what is this symbol? Multiply. So 8 8s are, read the table, 64. Okay, now here it's division symbol. It means you have to divide 56 by 7. So read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, and 7 eights are 56. So 8 is the answer. Now read the table of 4 and see that how many 4s make 12. Read the table of 4 and see how many 4s make 36. So 4 nines are 36, 9 nines are 81, 7 6 are 42, 10 6 are 60. Then 9 fours are 36, 7 threes are 21, 7 6 are 42, 9 fives are 45, 6 nines are 54, and 8 fives are 40. So this is very easy because now you have learned all the tables. So it's very easy for you. You just have to read the tables and write the answer. Now come to page 88. It's again the same, multiply or divide. 7 6 are 42. 8 fours are 32. 36 divided by 6 is 6 because 6 6 are 36. 7 nines are 63. 7 sevens are 49. 8 6 are 48. G to L you have to do in your homework. Now come to question number 2. 30 divided by 5 is 6 and 30 divided by 6 is 5. 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14. It's the same. They are just writing division and multiplication facts just like we did in our previous lecture. Now 14 divided by 7 is 2 and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 8 nines are 72 and 9 eights are 72. Now first we will divide 72 by 9. The answer will be 8. And then you will divide 20 by 8 and the answer will be 9. 9 fives are and 5 nines are 45. And 45 divided by 9 is 5. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. So this is your the remaining E, F, G, H part is your homework. Now on page number 89, question number 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. We have done this before because it is review exercise. 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 1 carry, 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13, 6 fives are 30, 3 carry, 6 twos are 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. Now division parts, first 4 parts I will do and the last 4 parts are your homework. So first we will divide 18 by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. So what is the answer here? 6. Now next is 30 by 5. 5 6 are 30. Remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 6. Now the next one is 28 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28. The last one is 27 by 3. 3 9s are 27. And this is all your homework. You have to complete all the work from page 84 to 89 on your book, and some questions, the division questions, you have to do in your notebook. If you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.